time for another unboxing. This is highly anticipated. We went into Louis Vuitton yesterday on launch day of a new collection. Here's a little hint. And picked up a pre-order that I have just been so excited about. I don't know why this just so absolutely of interest to me, but I am obsessed, and this is going to be the perfect summer bag. So without further ado, we have the Speedy 30 in the new denim collection. She is so fabulous. I mean, just take it in for a moment because this is such a cool bag. It's just exceeded my expectations so much. So my favorite thing, as you guys know, if you know me at all, squish factor. I love a squishy bag. I wasn't sure, seeing other videos from store reviews, how squishy this was actually going to be. I expected it would be very nice and squishy given its denim, but some of the pictures looked like it was a little bit more structured. It's not. It's very squishy. It has the untreated vachetta. We got the little pink truce to go with it. There's a little charm. This one we had shipped to the house because we weren't able to get it from store pre-order. We got the matching denim scarf that Brooks at the Nashville boutique very beautifully tied for me because I cannot do it anywhere near as cute as she can. And we have gold hardware, lovely little lock, gold D-rings. Some people have asked what it's lined with. It's lined with denim. It's kind of like a double denim. Like you can't really tell this, but I'm pulling apart the interior denim with the exterior denim. So the interior denim's a little bit darker. It's got a little bit smaller of a print, but it's like 2 layers of denim. Does have one interior open pocket. It has my very favorite kind of strap, this little short, soft, Speedy strap, which is just the perfect size if you ask me. And it's just such a fun summer bag. I will probably be carrying this all summer long. It's just so fun. I'm going to get a couple more things. I have a cute little Vivian with a flower crown on her way that's going to go on here. Just you can dress this up so many fun ways, with so many fun charms and scarves and all the things. And it really is just the best. It's such a cool bag. This is a size 30 soft Speedy denim from the new 2026 collection. If you wanted one, I hope you got one. I'm not sure if they're still available, but I know there are definitely some denim pieces still available. So highly recommend this one. It's just the most fun summer bag. So hope you like it. For more great content, history, reviews, bag spotting in the wild, check out louisinthewild.com, and you can find us on all the socials, Instagram, Facebook, and of course here on TikTok.